coffee's cold, the room's too wide. Your shadow lingers by my side. I hear the clock, it ticks too slow, like all the words I didn't know. I dial your number, let it ring, hang up before it does a thing. The silence hums your favorite song, but you've been gone too long. I missed you in a silence where echoes turn to ghosts. In every empty hallway, your voice still hurts the most. I wear the nights like bruises, soft blue and aching slow. Oh, how the quiet holds me, but it won't let you go. The bookstore smells like rain and ink. You'd read me lines to make me think. Now every page just tastes of dust, and all the plots are lost on us. I trace the cracks along the wall where we once swore we'd never fall. The plaster breaks beneath my thumb like promises undone. I missed you in a silence where echoes turn to